All right, taking a look at gold. Gold hits a new record high and is on track to close at a new closing daily high and closing weekly high. But after hitting a high today, it pulled back and it may show further weakness. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for gold. So you can see gold triggered an upside breakout above the prior record high yesterday, and then continued today to a record high of 2,817 before encountering resistance that seemed to be strong enough to put it all the way down to the lower quarter of the day's trading range, and it's on track to close within that range. If it does, it will complete a bearish shooting star candlestick pattern, which could lead to at least a short-term pullback, if not a little bit more than that. But anyway, that leaves us with a low for today of 2,791. If that low is broken to the downside, there could be a deeper pullback to test some lower levels. The key level being this 20 moving average here at 2,717 and the 50 moving average at 2,672. Of course, the 20 is more significant currently. And we can also watch that along with this minor interim swing low here at 2,731. That's going to be the first key level to watch, followed by this previous resistance become potential support at 2,726, and then the 20 moving average. And you can see how the 20 moving average is rising, so it could easily, or I shouldn't say easily, but it certainly could be within this range by the time the price of gold reaches it to test it as support, if that is what ends up happening. Of course, the upside could still continue, and if that happens, our first target remains as 2,823, which is almost reached today, followed by the 2,856. And of course, there are higher targets, but that is good for now. All right, that is it for gold traders. Have a great weekend.